Tina Inares. In coordination with Councilor LJ Sabolo and the City Council, the PIO, Antipolo City Sports, GSO, OPSS, the Antipolo PNP Police Visibility. Your promoter, Salvador Domatian Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout scheduled for 6 rounds in the super flyweight division. The 3 judges for this contest, Alpi Jocoso, Carlo Balio, and Hilco. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, Elmer Costillas. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting in the blue corner, wearing red, white, and blue, and division weight 113 pounds, from RCG Boxing Stable of Cavite Negros Occidental, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Sarile. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out the red corner, wearing red with blue and weighing 140 pounds, fighting out of the Hearthstone Moniz Boxing Gym of Bangar, La Union, introducing Kenneth Albino.
Gusto ko maganda pa rin sa pinigat sa bulan sa
Hoy, uwi ka na! Hey! Standby pa. Standby ka pa talaga ha? Mamaya tayo pag-uwi mo. Mamaya niyo, pagkakita niyo. 7 lang yan. 7 na lang. Malangsong ano yun? Bata.
Sabay.
Ano? Asa ng sabaw?
Hindi na. Pantay, tatapusin ka ngayon yan. Uy, itong likod.
Bawi.
Talo to. Talo to.
Talo pa malaki. Kamali na suntok yung lalaki.
Uy! Mahina tuhod. Pangahan. Mahina. Wala na.
Out!
Panalo na.
One round lang oh!
Hindi mo na pinawisan.
Lakas mo doon, Pakis!
Hindi pinatagal!
Lakas mo doon, Pakis!
Pinauwi agad oh!
Malakas.
First round pa lang.